𝐌'𝐤'𝐤𝐞𝐢𝐚𝐡.
21, can you do something for me? 21. Can you hit a little rich flex for me? Then 21, can you do something for me? 21. Drop some bars to my pussy ex for me. Then 21, can you do something for me? Can you talk to the ops next for me? 21, do your thing. 21, do your thing. Do your thing, 21.
Yellow diamonds in the watch. This shit costs a lot. Never send a die. That's how you get shot. I DM in vanish mode. I do that shit a lot. Took the panties off and this thicker than the plot. All my S's ain't nothing. Them hoes busted. If my ops ain't rapping, they ass ducking. You ain't ready to pull the trigger. Don't clutch it. I know you on your period, baby. Can you suck it? I'm a savage. Smacker, booty, and magic. I slap a nigga with the ratchets. I might slap a track on this whip and get the ad. Don't call me on Christmas Eve. Call your dad. Call your uncle. Don't call me. Always in my ear, your whole fleet. Why my ops be posting guns and only use they feet? Paid like an athlete, I got
all you hoes, all of you hoes need to remember who y'all talking to. It's the Slaughter Gang CEO. I got it for you if I'm not working, girl. If I'm busy, don't know. You need to find you someone else to call when your bank account get low. You need to find you someone.
All the filters need to be changed. Fuel filter, oil filter, air dryer, and the air filter. They're not expensive, but I would make them do that. Buying it. Really something that should be done before you buy something like this. The oil needs to be changed.
Look at this.
This, yeah. That needs. So that's just a plastic cover. Yeah, it's just plastic. Kind of like a protective shield. You're probably looking at all the filters and the oil change. You're probably looking at about $350, $400. AB 450 with the filter. I don't know how much that air filter is. I don't remember. It's been a while since I've changed one of those. That's a small one, but don't necessarily mean that's hard to get a hold of. They could be expensive. Worst case scenario, $50. Best case scenario, $15. It really just all depends. It's been so long since I've done one of those. You don't see a whole lot of these. Motor looks fairly decent. I don't see any issues. Looks like it's got new belts. Looks like it has a pretty good radiator on it. Cooler looks good. I don't see any coolant leaks. So I haven't gotten up under it to see if there's any oil leaks. I don't see like any valve cover leaks. That's normally where your oil leaks are going to come from the majority of the times, right there, or either right here or at the bottom. Pan at the bottom. Right there. See where the black meets the block? All right, so that's the same thing as this right here. It's just another cover. They call this a valve cover. Call this the oil pan. I don't see this leaking. Maybe at one time you might have had, like maybe someone fixed it. Some corrosion or some dirt right there, build up. Nothing major. Nothing to freak out or worry about. Oh, I love these. Really, I mean, it's a good motor. They're good trucks. Brakes look good. Got good padding. Can't see the pads themselves. The rotors look good. Pads are about 50%. It's decent. Looks like decent air in the tire. Good tread on the front tires. This one's definitely newer than this one. Some people do balance them. Like, it looks like someone actually balanced this. That's a weight. Not many people do that. It looks like these are balanced. Door looks good except for this panel. You can take some silicone and seal it right there along the lines. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm just giving you the truth. The truck sounds good, but the motor sounds good. I doubt parts are very expensive. Might take a couple days for the parts to come in, but I don't think that's the worst of it. It looks very simple to fix though. The noise that you're hearing is all the broken components inside of it. Okay. It's just turning and spinning and rattling. I think it's a good buy. A full service on a truck like this runs only between $3,500.
That's nuts, Millie.
21, can you do something for me? 21. Can you hit a little rich flex for me? Then 21, can you do something for me? Drop some bars to my ex for me. Then 21, can you do something for me? Can you talk to the ops next for me?
I would look at buying this truck without a doubt, for sure. I don't have a problem with buying it because, I mean, honestly, really and truly, it's an easy ass fix. You're a female, and I don't mean nothing by that.
Mom, you can let my mom know. This is my mom.
Very nice to meet you.
Yeah. What about I thought about the brakes. It sounds like the brakes.
That's what it is. The brakes are fine, but what's going on is the e-brake's broke. There's a drum on the back of that transmission. That's the e-brake for this truck. All the components inside of that drum are just sitting there rattling around. Yeah, they don't have nowhere to go. It's not like that's going to put you on the side of the road. That's annoying as hell, and I would get that fixed, especially not professionally, but it's not something like you couldn't go down the road and get it where you need to get it. Motor's solid. Motor sounds good. Honestly, really and truly, I've seen this truck around. I don't know any history on the truck. I know I've seen it a lot. Fixing the lights, that's laser and lights. The lights are going to be more than fixing. Silly, isn't going to hurt nothing. Nothing I worry about. The brakes are good, the tires are good. The trans is the biggest concern. Whoever had this didn't service it.
Let's just say she go with it. Like, when I go on the road, I'm going to make this $4,000. Look, I need it.
That's it. Okay, no problem. I'm gonna lock this back down.
Okay.
We'll go inside and get all your information.
So I truly and honestly feel like it's a lot of things that you can starting off with the Dollar Tree. And I know this may sound cliche, but the Dollar Tree really does have some good things that if you use a creative mind and you have the work ethic to put the work in, I really feel like you can come up with some really good ideas on businesses that you can start using $1 from your local Dollar Tree store. So here, as you guys can see, this is just me B-rolling over some of the things that I really feel like you can use to start your box truck business, or things to have in your box truck, things to buy, things that you can get, just the idea of things that should be in your box truck when it comes to gloves, clipboards, pens. I'm also kind of B-rolling some things that you can actually do and start using your box truck. I know a lot of people is into decorating, a lot of people is into catering and doing events and things like that. I really do feel like if you start like a decorating company where you do venues, you decorate venues professionally, especially for birthdays, even though it's a seasonal type of occasion, I really do feel like you'll make a good amount of money in one setting. Guys would like a part 2 on this video, or just me going in depth, let me know in the comments. Do you guys need box truck owner operators?
Do you just drive trucks?
Yeah, I drive semi trucks and I own a box truck.
If you leave your name and number, and I can give you first thing Monday morning for you.
So much information I wanted to put into this video, but I didn't want it to be too long. But just know that a lot of these stores that's in your local area, you can actually use your box truck to pick up freight for them. You have to go and work your mouthpiece, okay? I mean it when I say that. Everything is about connections, networking, and speaking up with what you have and how you can help a company. So back to the fun part of the video. We went shopping for my birthday shoot because your girl is turning angel numbers this year, you know what I mean? So I'm taking you guys with me shopping. We went and stopped and grabbed some shoes. This video is very, very special to me because I actually manifested this box truck. And no matter how perfect this video may seem, you know, understand that I've lost a lot and I've learned a lot and I've gained a lot. You know, and it just all comes with time and just enjoying the journey of trying to get to your destination. A lot of times we be so caught up in trying to get that house, or trying to get those cars, or trying to start this business. You know, we just have so much going on of what we're trying to do and the things that we want to see and progress in, that we forget about the journey. It's about the journey of getting to where we're trying to go. Enjoy the journey.
Oh, that's nuts, Millie.
21, can you do something for me? 21. Can you hit a little rich flex for me? 21. Then 21, can you do something for me? 21. Drop some bars to my ex for me. Then 21, can you do something for me? Can you talk to the ops next for me? 21, do your thing. 21, do your thing.
Hey guys, it's 𝐌'𝐤𝐤𝐞𝐢𝐚𝐡 and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'm taking you guys behind the scenes with me on my birthday shoot / me buying the pink truck.
21, can you do something for me? 21. Can you hit a little rich flex for me? 21. Then 21, can you do something for me? Drop some bars to my pussy ex for me. Then 21, can you do something for me?